Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable.
The last day at 6300 Northwest Road. Thank the Lord.
Yeah.
Hi Maz. So, how do you feel about today's
great.
final day at 6300?
I'm really excited.
Really? How excited?
Extremely excited. Out of 10, I would say I'm a 25.
Really? You really look like a 25 at this moment.
But glad things went off.
Not really, actually. No, I was just being sarcastic.
You know what?
For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Is the group harder than an erection that shows no affection? They wanna ban us on Capitol Hill, cause it's die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers.
All along it was a ghetto, nothing but the ghetto. Taking short steps, 1 foot at a time, and kept my head low and never let go. Cause if I let go, then I'd be spineless. I'm going insane.
I think my mind just goes out of control and touch on subjects motherfuckers read about. I touch on the shit that they be leaving out. I seen this motherfuckers non-smoking. I seen the same nigga with the nine dying with his eyes open. And simply what this means is he didn't know that every dog had his day until he seen his. I bet you motherfuckers will too, because it's time, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still.
I think it's something in the water, man. It's gotta be in the water.
Oh fuck, Chuck's on a killing spree again. We're giving team for men. I walk around town with a frown on my face. Fuck the whole world.
Who knew Chris Bales was so angry?
On the verge of knocking motherfuckers out for no reason. Once I get down, there'll be no breathing. It seems when motherfuckers wanna calm down, put his palm down. Seems like I still lay the law down. Now it's on by. What you wanna do? I'm asking you. Stuck to face, I break your ass in two. Bastard you. Rather swim in some fucking hot